In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Google Docs efficiently for all your document needs. Whether you're creating content on your own or collaborating with others, Google Docs offers a seamless way to get your work done. First, to use Google Docs, you'll need a Google account. Don't worry if you don't have one yet, it's free and easy to sign up for. Once you've got your account ready, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to Google Apps. Now, you have a couple of options here. You can access Google Docs directly through the Google Apps menu or via Google Drive, which is a popular choice and recommended for easy organization. Once you've made your choice, let's talk about sharing your document. By default, all new documents are set to private, ensuring that no one else has access unless explicitly shared by you. To change this, simply click on the Share button, which you'll find in the top right corner of your document. If you wish to invite specific people to collaborate, you can do so by entering their email addresses. There's even the convenience of adding multiple addresses at once if you have a group in mind. But what if you want to open your document for broader access? Well, in that case, you can select anyone with the link under General Access. This allows many collaborators to join without having each of their emails. However, keep in mind that you'd still need to manage permissions carefully. Speaking of permissions, this is a powerful feature that lets you assign different roles depending on your collaborators' needs. A viewer can only look at the document, they can't make any changes. A commenter, on the other hand, can both view and comment, allowing for feedback without any risk of altering your original content. If you really trust someone and want them to have full control, including editing and sharing capabilities, you can give them editor access. Just be cautious and ensure the person really needs that level of access. Once you've decided on the sharing method and set appropriate permissions, you're ready to send out invitations. If you're sharing via email, there's an option to include a brief message next to it, adding a personal touch before clicking Send. Alternatively, if you're using a link, just copy it and share it through your preferred communication channel. With everyone invited, real-time collaboration becomes possible. Others can open the document and contribute just like you. As the owner, you'll always have an overview of who is currently working within the document. Plus, to make collaboration even smoother, you can use the chat feature situated right in the document. This allows for instant communication, ensuring everyone is on the same page. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to accessing and sharing Google Docs effectively.